Hello guys, I'm BedWars1058 and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create arena groups. Arena groups are like arena types like this one when you have I'm lagging. Yes, I'm lagging. Sorry about that. It's like 4v4v4, like that's the arena group. Or when you have solo or doubles, that's the arena group for BedWars1058. So we're going to create an arena group, for example, because we want to have teams of 6 versus 6 players or 10 versus 10 players, only 2 teams, for example. So we're going to use our wiki. So when you want to configure the BedWars plugin, the first thing to do is to read the wiki. You have information about everything here. So according to our wiki, we have to use BW arena group create, where name is the arena group name. So we're going to do BW. For using those commands, you have to give the right permission to the player or to be op. So BW arena group, it will display the arena groups, but I'm lagging a bit because I'm uploading another video on YouTube and I have a really slow connection. So BW arena group create and we'll do 10 versus 10. That's our group. Okay, now if we do BWGUI 10 versus 10, oh my gosh, it's really slow. Okay. We will not have arenas in here because there isn't any arena added to that group. So the command for adding arenas to that group is BW arena group set. Arena name in my case is Boletum, and then we write the group name. And this arena was added. And now if we do BWGUI and the arena group name, we'll have the maps in here. But the thing is that arenas have individual configuration about the team size. So your arena group will not change the team size. So we have to go in the arenas folders in BedWars1058 folder. We'll open Boletum. This is the arena file, and we'll check this max in team. We'll set that to 10 because we want to have 10 players in our team, and this option is the minimum requirement for the arena to start. We'll set this to 10 as well, so when there are 10 players on the server, we will start the countdown. Okay, so now we want to refresh that option, that change, and we have to disable the arena Boletum, and we have to enable it again, Boletum. Okay, now if we open the GUI, we have 40 players. Actually, because I have 4 teams. And I'm going to delete 2 teams to have only 20 players on that. So I'll delete the red team and the yellow team. Okay, to make it more realistic for our example. Okay, so I'll disable and enable it again. Sorry about that. Okay, and now we have 20 players with 2 teams. If we join it, before start the arena, BW start. Again, I have a slow connection. Look at my ping. Okay, so it's yes, the problem is that this scoreboard is used by all the arena groups. So we want to have a custom scoreboard because we don't have the red team and the yellow team. And for that, we are going to edit the messages file in languages. Okay, we are using the English translation. The file is downloading and it's taking so much. Okay, now we scroll down for the scoreboard configuration section. Okay, it's online and it's on this line, and now we have to copy the default configuration section with that space. We copy all it down. Okay, and now we go here and paste it, but we have to rename default to our arena group name. In this case, it's 10 versus 10. Okay, but we want to edit only the playing scoreboard, so the starting and the waiting scoreboard can be the same as the default. So if we don't have the playing and the waiting configuration here under 10 versus 10, it will automatically take it from default. It will take it from here. So we want to customize the playing scoreboard, and now we're going to remove the teams which are not used. So is team red, this one, and the yellow team. So we remove them, and now we save, and we have a custom scoreboard for us. But the thing is that we have other translations, and we have to update those too. So if people use English translation, for example, Spanish translation, for example, they will not have the updated scoreboard because we updated it only for English. So we have to paste here, or if we want to have it more accurate, we are going to copy this one in Spanish and then paste it down. Remove this waiting and starting because we don't need them, and we have to remove the spaces, 10 versus 10, and that's it. We remove yellow and red, and that thing should be done with the others. Okay, but we are not going to that. We leave the arena. So if you want to refresh the translations, there is a command BW, and it's reload, but it's not recommended. So yes, okay, those languages were updated. So now if we go on our arena, it should be updated as well. BW start debug, and when the arena starts, we're going to have only 2 teams on the scoreboard. The other thing is if you have other teams with non-English names, like team, I don't know, team dog, for example, it's a name of team. You have to edit the scoreboards here at the, where is it? It's not here. Okay, so where is my 10 versus 10? Okay, for example, if you have a team called dog, okay, dog with caps, for example, you have to edit this team blue with team dog. It's case sensitive, so if your team is called dog this way, the placeholder name will be dog this way as well, because it's case sensitive. So yes, that's how we do. If you have another name of your team, you have to edit the placeholder as well if you want them to work. That's not a bug, that's a feature, because you can have as many teams as you want with custom names, custom colors, etc. And then you save and restart the server. That's it.